juicy.
That's not.
It's not spicy though. Number 1.
Hops.
2 sliders with fries is the number 2.
Punta tayo sa Dave Chicken
1
daw.
tender, 1 slider.
Check natin to. Dito tayo sa may... what's the name of this area? Summer? Dave Chicken. Aba. Dito. Ay, upo na ako kayo. Sige. Upo na ako kayo. Nice. Daming tao. Ito yung ano 41. Check natin. Manghang ba kinuha mo? Manghang. Mild. Ito yung slider. Slider. Ito yung tenders. Pickles? No. Can you take a bite on this one? You like it? Spicy?
Not that spicy at all.
Really? You like it?
Yeah, it's good. It's flavor. It's juicy. It's really juicy.
But the bread, I don't like the bread. How it looks.
It's just bread, isn't it?
Sinawami, slider.
It's good.
Kaya natin.
It's juicy.
That's not.
It's not spicy though.
It's sweet.
It's good.
But not of spice. But I don't like the bread.
Yeah, they should upgrade their bread.
Yeah, you need to upgrade the bread. All in one. Let's try the sauce.
Good? Interesting.
You took all the pickles. Kinuha mo lahat ng pickles.
1 pickle per bite.
How about the fries?
They're normal. They're good.
They're normal?
It's just good with the sauce.
Yeah, this one is their magic sauce. Secret sauce. But I feel sad about the bread.
Yeah, they should get better bread.
What's the verdict? You gonna come back?
I would come back. Because there's one close to our house.
I will not come back there.
I would there.
No. For me, no.
It's different from
It's-
other chicken.
If you're gonna ask me if there's only McDonald's and this one, probably I'll go here.
Well, yeah.
But I will not go here at 17th Avenue just to get that chicken. Peace and love.